Hello, how are you? So we have a day in the shop because we got a set of the new Apache XC LT tracks and we are freaking putting them on full pull, you guys. Don't ask me how I got them.
Stole them.
But the important thing is we have them. And what is super cool is we get to compare backcountries with the new XCLTs along with the 360 LTs. So right up front, you'll notice the backcountries are that good 2 inches taller. They give you about 6 inches extra ground clearance. The 360s and the XCs give you around 4 inches extra ground clearance. What you'll notice right away too is the tread profile and also the lug depth. Deeper lug and completely revised tread profile. Also a little bit different of a attack angle. I have them lined up where the tops I think are even, but then the LTs seem to come back a little bit. You could line that up, I guess. Line that up, but then this is a little bit off. Just saying that the frame geometry is a little bit different as well. They literally redesigned everything on these new XCs. Rear tracks are super cool. So again, the backcountry is a good 2 inches, and also the backcountries are longer. Oh, hello, Luna. But look at the width of those XCs, 15 inch, 14.5 inch, 14 inch. I'll have to double check my math, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Again, tread profile completely different. But as far as frame geometry for the rear, they are very, very, very similar as far as geometry. Now everything else is different. These are 2-piece bolt together frames. The new XCs are all 1-piece, much stronger frame, oil bath bearings, rubber isolated shafts. So in there you got rubber dampeners. Everything about the new XCs is smoother. Rolling resistance is reduced. So our plan is to get these swapped over because these are snow only tracks. They got sliders, so you cannot run these all season long, where the 360 LTs and the XCLTs bogey wheels, so you can run those suckers as long as you want all year round. So we're gonna get these swapped over, and our plan is to just do old-fashioned skeg, mud, logs, anything we can throw at these new tracks. We're gonna test the heck out of them. So let's get these suckers swapped over. Okay, here's a really good shot of the difference in frames. And another huge, I would say huge improvement of the XCs is they have this slide, the center slide. I don't know if you can tell, but it goes from there all the way to the back. So it's almost impossible to detrack the front track now under hard steering. And so it's got that, basically keeps you centered the whole way. Man, I would like to take that track off and show you better. It's kind of hard to see, but basically exactly how I explained it. It's just a slide that goes the entire way and runs in between your little track cogs there. But pretty cool to see the difference. Okay guys, fronts are on. Sorry I didn't do a play-by-play. I was just kind of figuring everything out as I went. So what I can say is these plates are at least half as heavy as the other mounting plates on the 360s. These things, well, I wouldn't say half as heavy. These things aren't that crazily heavy, but they are nice and light. They go on, they just fit in really nice. So it's very similar to the way the other ones mount. So you have your little U-bolt there at the bottom, 2 clamps up here, and then 1 clamp in the middle. Then you have your limiting cable and then your anti-rotation rods. So pretty much the same as just trying to find the hardware. Like you had to mount this little swivel bracket for your limiting strap. You had to change a bolt to make a longer bolt because you have to use little spacers. Just figuring out little things. Like I said, when you do tracks, your first time you put them on takes quite a while. And then once you switch over, like next winter when all your mounts and everything are all built and set up, basically it's just bolting it on and bolting on your anti-rotation brackets. Easy peasy. So we'll tackle the rear next. It's very similar again, but I'm going to take all this out, all this mounting hardware for the backcountries, take all that out and put all of the new stuff on. But it's very similar. goes through that square tubing in the frame. Those are shaped quite a bit different, and those are quite a bit different too. So we'll have to bolt those on the tracks. Those go to that bottom hole on there. Sorry, on there. Bing, bang, boom. That's all extra parts because that stuff already came on the tracks, already set up. So the rear should go really smooth. So we'll pick up when we are almost done the rear. All right, we are in good shape. So we got our cross member in, all tightened up. We got our mounts onto the track itself. That guy right there. So that single arm up there attaches to that and then bolts on like nothing. So pushing around these in the shop versus the 360 LTs and the backcountries, they worked really hard on this track, I should say, to get the rolling resistance down as much as possible. So my garage floor has a slight slope because of the drain, and I'm pushing them around, and look at these things. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is a really slight slope. Like they're literally rolling. Now it's not going to do it. They're literally rolling down this like tiny little slope I have for my drain. Like, so yes, they roll extremely easy. Isn't that crazy? Like I'm telling you, it's like a 1-inch slope in how many feet just to get all the water to go to the drain. But wow. Okay, so things are going really good. So man, those are beefcake. So 15 inches wide and 1.375 tread height. So, and of course, all new tread design, all new tread compound, everything's brand new on these. So we'll get these suckers bolted on, and then literally, I didn't think we were gonna get a chance to use them in snow because it is April 19th, but Mother Nature, you know, she just decided to dump on us. So we're gonna go find some snowbanks. Like it might as well be freaking January. So heck yeah, we're gonna go find some snowbanks. Okay guys, Mrs. Oss is on Loch Ness. Still got some Texas grit on her. Woo, looking full pull on the new XCLT tracks. Heck yeah. Okay, let's go find some snow. It's a freaking gorgeous afternoon. All right. You guys. Okay, so we got snowbanks here. Obviously it tapers off to nothing. Looking up there, it is dead even. We are gonna smash the heck out of that Loch Ness. I don't think full pull will have zero trouble on tracks, so we're gonna try first on Loch Ness. There's probably, I don't know, what's this, maybe 3 or 4 feet right here. I think I can do it. I'm almost on the downhill. Oh.
Yeah, just get it right.
Man, I'm so far like you're just floating.
Yeah.
Okay. Press down. Last pretty.
Sweat. Oh, there. Try center. There we go.
Holy, definitely enough snow to get stuck. Okay, we'll just try to crawl along the top with full pull. We'll see how we are for flotation. Try to find some more drifts, but I'm not sure where any other real big ones are. We definitely shredded these ones.
All right.
Yeah,
so overall, what do you think of the tracks?
They're no backcountries, that's for sure. Like, you can feel them spin a lot more where backcountries hook up, but backcountries are made for deep snow, right? They got a full 2-inch lug. But why we want to try these so bad is for every other season, right? Like spring, it's supposed to be spring now, even though it looks like January, but we want to go in the mud and skeg and logs and roots, and we really want to put these suckers through their paces. So that's what I'm most excited for. It was a long time ago, I'd say 8 or 9 years ago, we ran tracks on Mrs. Osta, and they were just the 360 non-LTs, just the ones for the ATV. So these have a lot more footprint. So I'm super excited, especially on full pull, right? Full pull's got so much power. So it's gonna be exciting as heck. One thing I do know, usually when you're in the skeg, they do phenomenal. Like where people are stuck, you can pull them out and you can go through where they're stuck. But if you ever hit a really bad hole where you get stuck, then you're stuck. Remember the 6x6? So, but a couple winches and you're back ripping again. So that's what I'm most looking forward to. But as far as install, like I said, once you get the brackets and everything mounted to the tracks, it's like any other set of tracks, super easy install. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully we find some more drifts. If not, this might be the end of the video. It's just a quick little rip just to see how these suckers do it and to blow up some of the Texas dust off Loch Ness.
I said it's car wash.
Yeah, totally free car wash. Now we'll just park it inside, it'll all melt, and it's just like a foam cannon, except for it's snow and it just melts off and you have a clean machine left.
Kind of gripping it and everything.
Yeah.
So.
But anyways, if this is the end of the video, we wouldn't be able to do any of this stuff without you guys. Quick little video, hope you liked it. If you want to support us, the best way is go to ostacruiser.com. We sell all sorts of really super strong recovery gear, winch rope, recovery rings, soft shackles, shifters. We got all kinds of cool stuff on there. That's the best way to support us. And you get some kick-ass recovery gear on top of it. So as always, we love you guys. We'll see you next video.
I just got decked.